Hi friends, welcome to part 2 of creating a welcome back slide for back to school. If you haven't watched part 1, then I have placed the link in the description, so go ahead and watch that. So here I've tried one of these intros and I'm just going to type some information. So I'm going to say, hi, I'm Miss Boredom. So now I'm going to change this slide. So let me introduce you to Let me tell you about some things. Let me tell you what we will be doing. What we will be doing today. And then right here, so I'm going to not add the company, but I'm going to keep these these school supplies. Like for art, we need paintbrushes and school rulers. I'm going to keep those things. And here I'm going to type number 1, introduce each other. I'm going to remove this insert logo. And this, it's just like a random paper clip, and I'll delete that and make this just a bit bigger. I'm liking the font choices in this though, because there's so many. Right. So I'm just going to adjust this. And there we go. So number 1, we're going to introduce each other. And then right here, I'm going to go to the T and click Add Subtitle. And then click your name. So this is just what they have to tell about themselves when they introduce each other. Their name and their hobby. Your hobby. So I'm going to bring it up so we can see it a bit. So your name, your hobby, a few things about yourself. Things about yourself. That's what you have to introduce about yourself when we introduce each other. So just like this, I'm going to add it underneath. And then I'm going to type number 2. So here's also just a teaching tip. On the first day of school, it's nice to kind of play some fun games. So that's why I'm going to add that. And I will show how to make the games that we will be talking about in the slide. So number 2, play some games. Some games. And delete this text box because I think we don't need it, and maybe I'll just make this bigger. Some games. So here I've got it into the perfect size how I want it. So play some games. And then I'm going to go to the 6th slide. And here I'm just going to show how to do this slide in part 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't watched part 1, then please go watch it. Yahoo!